In this module, we will teach how to install the 3-wire PT100 temperature sensor and its properties. A PT100 sensor is a type of temperature sensor that uses a platinum electrical resistance to measure temperature. The electrical resistance of platinum is a material that varies its electrical resistance as a function of temperature, and this allows the PT100 sensor to be used to accurately measure the temperature of a given environment. The name PT100 is derived from the abbreviations PT, platinum, and 100, because the sensor's nominal resistance is 100 ohms at 0 degrees Celsius. When the temperature of the sensor increases, the electrical resistance of the platinum also increases. This increase in electrical resistance can be measured and converted into an electrical signal proportional to the temperature. PT100 sensors are generally used in industrial processes, heating and cooling systems, and in laboratory equipment that require high accuracy in temperature measurement. There are two main types of PT100 sensors, 2-wire and 3-wire. 2-wire sensors are simpler and may introduce errors due to resistance in the connecting wire. 3-wire sensors are more accurate and eliminate these errors due to their wiring configuration. In the 3-wire PT100, there will be 2 wires to measure the electrical resistance of the sensing element, and 1 wire to compensate the resistance of the connecting cables. It is extremely important that you pay attention to how you will connect the PT100 so as not to damage it. With the equipment in hand, you will find in the operating diagram which terminal and in which position the 3-wire PT100 will be allocated. With this, you will connect the part 100 in this way. Don't forget to tighten the screws to avoid temperature failure. Thanks for watching, and until the next tutorial.